preparing a fresh vegetable salad inside the apartment.
Hello from Vevey. I'm about to prepare dinner here in Vevey, and I have salads over here, fresh salads which I've washed in a bit, and then I'm going to toss with balsamic vinegar. I'm going to put some cheese, Gruyere cheese, and I'm going to do some nuts, pine nuts, and other vegetables, seeds. The salad, and I'm draining them. I'm going to put in some olive oil, balsamic vinegar, just a bit, and a bit of French sauce. Okay, I'm going to put some salt, just a bit of salt, and pepper. Okay, now I'm going to toss them. You can see here's some lettuce, some baby rockets, arugula, some other leaves. Okay. Some cheeses. We have Gruyere cheese and Edam cheese. And then we're going to put some seeds.
We were overwhelmed with our stay in Veveyse, this modern, spacious, convenient hotel apartment in Vevey, Switzerland.